Hello and welcome today. My name is Victory, and in this guide, I'm going to be showing you how to conditionally render components in React. All right, so we're going to create a very simple application that's going to toggle between when a user is logged in and when the user is logged out. So to do this, we're going to work with the states. Okay, so we've already imported use state from here. So next, we're going to use some const here. I'm going to declare is logged, and I'm going to have sets a login. Okay, so I'm going to default set it as false. Right, so it's going to be false when we start. All right, so I'm going to create a button here that will toggle when the user is logged in and when the user is logged out. So I'll create a button. All right, so right here in the button, I'm going to call and on click, right? So I'm going to set an anonymous function here that will call in the sets logged in, and it's going to toggle. Okay, so what this means is that since it's false here, when we click on this to set it to the opposite, it's going to set it to true, right? So we've done this. So the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to conditionally render it here. So it's logged in. All right, so we have this, and at the top here of this div, what I'm going to do, I'm going to call is logged in, and I'm going to have an H1 here, and we're going to display welcome back user, and what we're going to have here, it's going to be the opposite. Please sign in. All right, so save this and check it on our browser. So what we have here, we have this button. So whenever we click on this button, it's going to set our state here, which is going to toggle it. Okay, so since it's false now, it's going to toggle it to true. And what we're going to see is, so if it's true, it's going to tell us to log out. Okay, I mean, if it's false, yeah, this is an alternative. So if it's true, if it's true, okay, it's going to do this. And if it's false, it's going to do this. All right, so it's going to have our button is going to have a toggle between logged out and logged in. So if it's true, also at this point, it's going to output welcome by user. Else, okay, this is how we do else when working with ternary operators. Okay, that's the shorthand way of doing it. Okay, so it's going to show us please sign in. So save this. Let's check out on our browser. All right, so we have here, so it's showing us please sign in. When I click on login, so I'm logged in, it shows us welcome back user. When I click on log out, it shows us please sign in. All right, thank you very much. If you enjoyed that guide, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you some other time.